Okay, I died. Hold on, I gotta restart the intro. Go. Hey, y'all. And, me and my friend.
Playing Murder Mystery.
Yeah. So, I am joined
and
by...
I'm recording, too.
Yeah.
I found your dead body, and you have the gun.
That just is so wrong to say. I found your dead body. And I have the gun. Okay, loading map. Let's see who's the murderer.
I hope I am.
What if I am? Like, remember when you were the murderer and like you always were laughing and I could easily tell? You were like, okay, I'm innocent.
I'm an innocent! I'm an innocent!
How do I know you're not? How do I know that you're lying?
You remember when I'd be like, hey, I'm an innocent, you'll be like, turn your screen around and show me that you're an innocent.
Yes!
Show me
Wait,
you're
look! Look, ready?
You're
Pow!
the murderer. You have a teddy bear that you can kill people with. What? Did you just kill me?
Yeah, I killed you. I'm the murderer.
I'll see.
You guys never saw anything.
No one saw.
No witnesses.
No witnesses.
I was telling you the story when you always used to laugh, and then it was just like, you're a murderer. I was like, oh.
Kill him.
I just killed the sheriff. He.
I hate.
He wasn't even like conscious. Well, what?
The noobs are always the
They're always the last one.
Noobs are always campers.
Oh my gosh, you're so right. Like, cause like.
Campers are the worst.
Oh, can you spectate?
I am.
Oh,
Spectating.
where is everyone?
I'll tell what where people are. Yeah, two people are really close to you. Like, they're in the same room.
My cat is meowing. Oh, yay, I won!
And we're innocent.
I don't trust you. For like, okay, I'm innocent.
I'm an innocent.
How do I know? Like, I have a slight feeling you're the murderer.
I'm not. I swear.
I'm not going. Ah! Okay, fine. I trust you.
Just wait until there's a stabbing noise and it's not near me.
Okay.
Let's stay together, and you'll realize I'm not the murderer.
Okay, I trust you.
What is that guy holding?
Ice cream cone.
I didn't even see it. It was invisible, and I was like, "Oh my gosh, is it like an invisible knife?"
What is this? Ew, Arthro. Ew.
There's no stabbing noise.
Like, I feel like it's you because you're not.
Wait until you hear a stabbing noise.
A stabbing noise. I think it's in the movie. I'm gonna check it in the movie theater. Hey, too close, buddy. Oh.
I was not that. That was
Okay.
not.
I know. I trust you. I saw you. Okay, so it must be a girl. That just looks so wrong.
What?
Oh my gosh, a noob died. You could just see her laying there. Wait.
Yeah, now you know it's not.
Okay, I think the purple hair girl is probably good.
She's dead.
No,
Oh,
she's
girl.
right there.
I thought you were talking.
I think it's the Arthro girl.
Because there's like that purple haired girl down there. I'm scared of Arthro people.
They're so weird. Oh, wait, she could be the murderer. You never know. Or he's the murderer. He has like
a cheddar cheese there.
It's like here, let's spectate him. Yeah, he has like a green hood on. And he has a like
It's a blonde hair.
yeah. And he has a hood on. It's like and then he has jeans and a noob shirt. I cannot. Okay.
Ah!
Okay, where are you? I'll tell you.
I'm in the room.
He's in the movie theater.
I don't want At least the footsteps don't work anymore.
Oh yeah, that sucked.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
I don't trust you. I just don't trust you for some reason.
I'm an innocent.
How do I know?
There.
How do I know?
Here, I'll stay near you, and you're the murderer.
Again, I don't know how. I just killed 4 people at a time.
Here, I'll tell you where people are, and I'll stop them. So let's see, guys. I'm the murderer. No. I'm the murderer.
I'm the murderer. Okay, I'm gonna get this guy.
You know the... Okay. You know that room? Okay, never mind. They're not in there anymore. Oh, gosh. Okay. The guy with the snowflake shirt with the hat, that's like the block guy, he's the sheriff.
Sheriff?
The sheriff. Sheriff. Sheriff.
Tell me when he's coming in the big...
He's like, if you go around that doorway, he's right out there.
Okay.
With his gun out. Yeah, he's there. There's another girl in the fireplace.
I need to get this guy.
Some guy is right by the sheriff. And some other guys above in the garage above the car, on the thing, and that's where everyone is. So you know.
Dang it! I'll tell you if I am murderer. Actually, if I'm murderer again. Okay, I need to fix this.
I'm innocent.
I'm innocent.
Innocent.
I'm innocent. Okay, how would you expect me to be murderer 2 times in a row?
You can't. It's not.
Well, it could be possible, but I'm not. I think this snowflake guy is murderer. I don't trust him.
I am not.
I trust you. Okay, you... Okay, I guess you can't trust me anymore. Okay, I think this snowflake guy is murderer.
Make some stabbing blades so Elsie knows that I'm not the murderer.
I know you're not the murderer. I trust you. Okay, I'm not the murderer, I swear. Okay. See, here. Look. Look. No.
Did you hear that?
No. Ah! It's snowflake guy. Isn't? Oh, never mind.
It's.
Where is he? Okay, tell me if you see him, because I don't know what he looks like.
He's the guy.
It's Eddie. It's like Eddie's what? Oh, I don't know, because he said he. I found him. He's over there. No, run! He just killed that girl. It's that guy that was chasing you. Him. Okay, I died.
Okay.
Who is? You're definitely murdered this round.
Seriously, I'm innocent.
How are you still innocent?
I'm innocent.
Wait, you hesitated.
What do you mean?
You hesitated.
What is that?
You paused when... Okay, never mind, you're not murdered. Because I just heard a knife. Yeah. Okay, so... Oh, look! Oh, she's over there! Run! Run! Run!
I'm not going to even show this round, so yeah. I need to be murderer next round. If I'm not, this game is rigged. You've been murderer,
I've been murdered, I think... Yeah. No, it's been 3 times.
What?
You've been... Ah! Hey, too close, buddy. Too close.
Go ahead, shoot me! Shoot me!
Oh my gosh, is she actually... Blonde guy is probably murderer.
Yes!
Aha! I'm good at this game. Oh, yay.
I'm sheriff!
I'm innocent.
No! I'll be right back. I'm not gonna record this round either.
Why?
Because I want to be murderer. Don't tell me you're murderer again.
No, I'm not murderer. Look, wait. Go to like the thing where it goes no knives or guns, and then it should make a beeping noise if you have something. Look. It doesn't make a beeping noise. Wait, yeah, did you hear that?
I heard the stab and it wasn't.
Yay, you believe me. Ah!
Is she
Purple ponytail! Purple ponytail! Purple ponytail! I need to go! I need to go!
Did you die?
No. I have your gun. I have the gun. Oh, I almost shot someone else that looked like her. I was like, oh my god. Where is she? There's like multiple directions she can come from. Stop. Okay, I'm gonna look up here.
Give them 2 ectos.
Ah! Sorry, I shot this girl in. Okay, I'm gonna... This girl needs to watch out! Haha, I beat her. Let's go. I did it. Then I'm like, how are you not murderer? This doesn't make sense.
Is it okay if I tell you what I am?
Cut the video. Wow, you are a horrible murderer, Lucy. You just died the second. Oh, this person had the universe gun too. Okay, I'm gonna vote for a map now. I am innocent again.
I am sheriff.
You're sheriff. Oh, there's a bathtub. Okay, I think this girl's the murderer. I don't know if it is, so don't shoot her.
Just tell me if you find the murderer, and
Okay, this girl is AF. Oh!
I will kill them as hard as I rip a reading test.
What? Oh my god. No, I don't want my emotes. Wow. Innocent.
Sheriff.
Okay. Okay, I'll see you. I'll see you. I'll see you. Innocent. Well, when you go in like the tunnel, my hat looks red. That's lit. Okay, well she died, so I almost got on camera the fight scene, but I missed it. I'm innocent. Dang it. Innocent.
Innocent.
Okay, I'm trying to like skip over the rounds because like I'm not murderer yet, so I'm really mad. Sheriff. Lucy.
Innocent. At this point, I'm just watching Black Murder Mystery.
Oh. I'm bored of being innocent and sheriff. And how?
Same here.
Well, I have to end the video. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I have to go because